Hello friends, welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. There is a saying, light up your life with positivity so that it enlightens more people around you. And that can only be possible when you practice yoga and meditation on a regular basis. This is a 10 minutes yoga session. Let's begin. Let's begin with cat and camel. Come to all fours. Now, with inhalation, you look up. With exhalation, come down. Inhale and look up. Exhale, arch your back and look down. Let's repeat the process. Down. Arch your back. Inhale and look up. With exhalation, come down. Next, alternate hand and leg raising. Right hand up, left leg up. Now switch your hand and leg. Inhale, up, look straight. Exhale down to the ground. Inhale and exhale. Continue doing this. Let's continue. Keep doing this. One more time. Down. Left hand, right leg up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. Now, next pose. Just relax for a while and you can lie down on your back. Next, hug your right knee. And now, spin your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Switch your leg, left leg, hug it tight and soft. Ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's repeat for one more round with the right leg. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now the left leg. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Now, take up both your knees. Bring it closer to your chest, head up, and hold this position for a while. Normal breathing. Just hold it and exhale and relax. Inhale, knees up, head up, hold the pose. And relax slowly. One more time. Next, we will rock and roll forward and backward. Rock and roll. A good massage for your spine. Just lie down. Hands up with inhalation, and with exhalation, take your front body up. Exhale and inhale. Lie down with exhalation, hands up. Exhale. One more time, repeat the process. Very good exercise for your tummy. Now let's stay there. Stay there. Stay there. And relax. Relax yourself for a while. Let's relax. Now, we will do a happy baby pose. Hold your legs with your hands and rock and roll right and left. Right and left. A good exercise for your lower back. Just relax now. And now change the position. Lie down on your chest, hands by the side. With the support of your hands, come up with inhalation. Exhale, come down. Arch your back, inhale and look up. Lower body remains still. One more time, inhale and up. And exhale. Inhale and up as much as you can. Do not pressurize. One more time, inhale. And down with exhalation. Now, lock your hands at the back and come up. Stay there. Stay there. And down. Inhale one more time, up. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. And down. Repeat the process. Now, let's come to child's pose, just for relaxation. This is a very good pose to relax yourself in between your yoga session or at the end of your yoga session. Just feel the changes happening inside your body. Relax and relax. Now sit down in Vajrasana. Come to Namaskara Mudra. With inhalation, take your hands up. Look up. Exhale, come down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Let's repeat the process. Inhale and up. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Continue doing this. Next, we will be doing the neck rotation, front and back. Front, look up, and back, look down. Look up and look down. Look up and down. One more time, up and down. Now we'll be doing right and left neck bending. Keep doing this process. Just feel the stretch on your neck. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep your eyes closed if possible. Keeping your eyes closed helps you to realize the changes happening. Next, fist. Make a fist and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Sidewise, clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise. Spread up your hands clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax yourself as we come to the end of this session. Such a beautiful session. Close your eyes and try to concentrate inward. I'm sure you loved it. Believe in yourself that you can make the changes. You can help yourself grow. Now rub your palm, generate the heat, and give a gentle massage to your face and open your eyes. Thank you.